So today we are going to be repairing the quarters, and what we're going to be doing is removing the rivets that are holding the cut tabs that were flipped over, and removing all the silicone and seam sealer. That way we can get a nice clean weld in there, and it'll clean the whole underside of the car up, even though you can't see it, but it'll just be way nicer. Nothing for the tire to get snagged on if I ever run a bigger tire and wheel setup. Alright, so we'll be starting by grinding all these rivets off, and then from there we'll just flip all these little tabs over and we'll weld right along in there. So hopefully it cleans up nice. I'm going to get the grinder and all that and start to work. So using the grinder to grind down the rivet heads went super well. Now all I got to do is bend back all these tabs and clean up the seam. That way I can use a mallet from the backside to close up the gap and add in a few tack welds before I cut them off. Now that it's cleaned up, I can start to try to close the gap and start tack welding it in place. So today is a new day. I finished welding up the quarter, and I'm just going to break off the tabs and then grind it down nice and smooth to where I can apply some sort of Bondo and also silicone on the inside. Keep in mind it does not look pretty right now, but it will look good once I'm done with it. So I hit it really quick with the wire wheel, and already, just looking at that, that does not look nowhere near as bad as this. This just looks terrible. I finally got the quarter pound nails finished. I know I changed shirts like 20 times during this video, but it's just I didn't have much spare time. So now I'll go finish up the other side, and by the next video I'll Bondo and block sand the whole vehicle, and hopefully I get to paint within a week like I initially planned. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time.